Subscribe to our channel for the latest update videos.
One sunny day, while Angelica was exploring a coral garden, she heard a soft cry. Following the sound, she found a tiny seahorse named Sam, tangled in a clump of seaweed. Sam was very young and looked terrified. With delicate precision, Angelica used her fins to gently untangle Sam from the seaweed. Once free, Sam clung to Angelica's fin, shivering with relief. With delicate precision, Angelica used her fins to gently untangle Sam from the seaweed. Once free, Sam clung to Angelica's fin, shivering with relief. Sam explained that he had wandered away from his family during a game of hide-and-seek, and couldn't find his way back. Angelica's heart went out to the little seahorse. She knew the ocean could be a big and frightening place for someone so small. Together, they swam through the colorful coral reefs and lush kelp forests, asking every sea creature they met if they had seen Sam's family. They asked a wise old turtle, a playful group of dolphins, and even a shy octopus, but no one had seen Sam's family. As they journeyed, Angelica told Sam stories to keep his spirits up. She spoke of the ancient sea dragons that lived in the deepest parts of the ocean and the mermaids who sang songs that could calm the fiercest storms. Sam listened with wide eyes, temporarily forgetting his worries. Cranky grinned and stepped aside, allowing them to enter the cave. Inside, they found the pearl of harmony resting on a pedestal, its light faint and flickering. Surrounding it were dark shadows, whispering words of discord. Angelica nodded and began to sing a gentle, melodious tune. Her voice filled the cave, echoing like a warm embrace. Sam joined in, their voices blending beautifully. Slowly, the shadows began to fade, and the pearl of harmony started to glow brighter and brighter. With the ocean fairy's guidance, Angelica and Sam quickly found Sam's family. There were tears of joy and many hugs as Sam was reunited with his loved ones. They thanked Angelica and the ocean fairy for their kindness and bravery. As Angelica swam back to her home in Oceana, she felt a deep sense of fulfillment. She had made a new friend, helped restore harmony to the ocean, and experienced an adventure she would never forget. And so, Angelica the Angelfish continued to live in the blue ocean, spreading kindness and joy wherever she went. Her story became a legend, told by sea creatures far and wide, reminding everyone that even the smallest acts of kindness can light up the darkest places.